80 animals.
Crocodile.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you doing with this class? You've been studying very hard. This time we'll learn about crocodiles. This is a crocodile. It has very strong teeth. Before we begin the story, let's learn some words.
Scary. If something is scary, you are very afraid of it. In the picture, the boy is very afraid of the spider. The boy thinks the spider is scary. Capture. If you capture someone, you catch them. In the picture, a man wears black clothes and has a large bag. He is a thief. The other man captures the thief. Vision. Your vision is seeing with your eyes. In the picture, the eagle has great vision, so it can see meat on the ground while flying. Do you have good vision?
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Capture. Scary. Vision.
It's time to read a story. When you finish, you will take a quiz.
What is the scariest animal in a river? I think it's a crocodile. A crocodile has a long body. It has a very large mouth. It captures other animals with it. It has sharp teeth. It kills other animals with them. It has a strong tail. It hits other animals with it. So, many animals are afraid of a crocodile. A crocodile has webbed feet. It can swim well with them. A crocodile has short legs. But it can run fast on land. A crocodile has good night vision. So it usually hunts other animals at night. It enjoys sunshine during the day. Where does the crocodile live? In a desert. Near a river. What is true about a crocodile's body? It doesn't have a tail. It has a very large mouth. What is true about the crocodile? It can run fast on land. It doesn't like sunshine.
Did you enjoy this lesson? Great! I did too. That's all for today. Goodbye.